electricity is vital nowadays. Everybody requires electricity, and when they lose it, they want it back as quickly as possible.
The electricity network is just about the most reliable network in the world. But we get bad weather and we get power cuts. A lot of people weren't sure who to call to find out what's going on, when they're likely to get their power back on. Energy Networks Association are the industry body for the gas and electricity network operators across the whole of the UK, and we devised a 3-digit number provided by Vodafone that could be called in a situation where there is a power cut or some other impact on the local electricity network. So when you pick up the phone, you dial in 105, Vodafone identifies your postcode and takes you right the way through to our local DNO call centres to deal with problems. We are getting 1.2 million calls being routed through the 105 number. 40% will be going through the Vodafone network. It's free to use, easy to remember, and covers the whole of the UK.
Whether you're a domestic customer or a hospital or a commercial customer, everybody has high expectations. So yeah, you do get a little bit of elation from getting people's electric back on, knowing you've done a good job.
Satisfaction with that service has gone up considerably. To actually get appreciation for how DNO is working in partnership with Vodafone through the 105 number, actually delivering for consumers, is I think a testament to how successful 105 has been.